Hello beautiful people, this is the Bell Makeovers. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a client's makeup and Gele tutorial for you. Before we jump right into it, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so now. I started by hydrating her face with Hii Beauties setting spray, after which I primed with Rimmel London face primer, which I worked into her skin with my fingers. Then I went into Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. I can't remember the shade. I would leave the details in the description box below. Basically, I'm just using my flat foundation brush to pick the product and apply on her face before going in with my beauty sponge to blend it seamlessly into her skin. Next, I'll be going into my Adventure Concealer to highlight her face. I'm just placing the concealer under her eyes, and then I'm using the same beauty sponge that I used to apply the foundation on her face to blend the concealer into her skin. I found out that this concealer actually dries very fast. That's why I'm blending immediately after applying to avoid stories that touch. Guys, I know I'm rushing through this one. If you would like to see an in-depth highlighting and contouring tutorial, please let me know in the comment section. Or any other tutorial you would like to see next, please let me know in the comment section. Next, I'll be contouring with Maybelline Super Stay Foundation in 362. That's truffle, I think. So I'm just applying it at the perimeters of her face and I'm blending it in with my beauty sponge. To be honest, I only do this when I have a lot of time on my hands. Most of the time, I just use powder to contour. I feel that gives me the same result as doing this. So now, I'll be going into nose contouring. For that, I'll be using a small brush to apply the foundation at the sides of the nose. For a really snatched nose, place your contour where your highlighting ended on the nose. Don't just draw lines beside the nose. It will end up making it look even bigger. So you place it up just where your highlighting ended. That would give it a really slim look. To set the highlight and contour, I'm using the Royale Makeup Powder Palette. I'm just using a lighter shade to set the highlighted areas, and then when I'm done, I'll use a darker shade to set the contoured areas. Then I'll blend the whole face together with her exact shade of powder.
Don't think I'm ready for you. Don't think you're ready for me either. I know you've been with her too long. It's okay, I'm just saying. What if she told you that she still likes you and she wants you to come back? Would you go and pretend like I'm nothing, although you want her, want her, want her? I need you back, back, back. 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 Tryna figure who I am.
Going into the brows, I'll be using Hegai and Esther brow pomade in the shade Toffee. With a flat angled brush, I would outline the lower part and then outline the upper part and fill in the middle using gentle strokes. Guys, I just love brow pomade. I think I'm addicted to them. I tried to use pencil in my last video because I got some feedback that some people find pencil easier to use, but I just love my brow gels. They are so easy to use. You don't need to sharpen like pencil or anything. Life is just so easy with brow gel. If you are team pencil or team brow pomade like me, let me know in the comment section. Let's know ourselves. Once I'm done with the outlining and the filling of the brows, I would move to highlighting. For today, I'm just highlighting the lower part of the brows only, and I'm using a shade very close to her skin tone, but at her brow bone, I'm using the same concealer that I used to highlight her face there, because I want the brow bone, the arc area of the brow bone actually, I want it to really pop. So I'll apply it there and blend it together with the initial concealer that I used. Once I'm done blending that, I will apply setting powder under her eyes to catch any fallouts from the eyeshadow I'm about to apply. For her eyeshadow application, I'll start by blending this shade into her crease area and blending it upwards, making sure that there are no harsh lines. This is a very simple eye look, guys. After blending this very well into the crease, I'll just apply a yellow gold eyeshadow and blend it into the crease color. Here I'm placing some pigments over the eyeshadow just to make the eyes pop a bit more, and then I'm adding more depth to the eyes by darkening the outer corner with a dark brown eyeshadow. Next will be my gel liner, which is Inglot in number 77, and I'm applying that with a flat angled brush. I fixed the false lashes off camera, and after that I'll be using the liquid liner to cover any lash track. Next, I'll be setting her whole face with the Hii Beauty setting spray without allowing it to touch her eyeshadow. After that, I'll be glowing up her face with the bronzer, which I'll apply just like this. When someone has dark lips and they wear a particular color of lipstick, because their lips are dark, it can actually make the color look a bit dull or darker than normal. So a trick to overcome that is to apply concealer or foundation or anything to brighten the lips before you put the lipstick on, actually, just as I'm doing now. So I'm just applying the red lipstick over the concealer, then I'm applying the liner and blending them together. After this, I'll be tying gele on my client. This gele won't be a detailed one. I'm sure that I'm going to post a detailed gele tutorial on this channel before I even post this video. If you have not liked this video, this is a good time to do that now. Please go and like the video, leave a comment, subscribe and hit the notification button so that you will know when I'm dropping a new video, and also share to your friends. Be a cheerful giver. Thank you so much for staying tuned. Thank you for watching my channel. I really appreciate you. I'll see you in my next video.